Bangkok, Thailand, one of the great food cities of the world and home to some of the friendliest people. I'm going to be here for the next 30 days, eating my way across this culturally rich landscape, and I'll be sharing my daily adventures here on this channel. My name is Alex, and you're watching Curated Adventures. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bangkok, and welcome to our first episode. We thought we'd kick things off with a little apartment tour, show you where we're staying for the next 30 days, and maybe give you a sense for what budget accommodations look like here in Bangkok. The building's right behind me, so why don't we go in and have a look? Well, what did you think? A little charming, a little rustic, maybe a little too Spartan for your taste? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. But for now, it's lunchtime, and I'm headed downtown. All right, so we've arrived at our lunch destination here. It's called Niyom Cuisine. They're a Michelin Bib Gourmand restaurant that was recognized in 2025. They feature Northern Thai cuisine, and more importantly, this is actually our favorite restaurant from our last visit in 2022, and we've been lusting for this place for the last 2 years and can't wait to get into some beautiful khao soi, green curry. It's right behind me. We got to do this thing. Let's go in. Well, that was an absolutely sensational lunch. I think we should follow it up with a nice walk in the park, a nice walk in Lumphini Park. Well, I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit of a cooker. It's 35 degrees right now. Feels warmer thanks to the bodies of water that we're surrounded by. This is a park full of lakes, beautiful park. And you know, even though it's swelteringly hot, it really hasn't tarnished the experience here. This is just one of the great parks, one of the great experiences of Bangkok. So I highly recommend coming down here, spend 2-3 hours, maybe earlier in the day, make more sense. But yeah, it's just the trees, the nature, the birds, the monitor lizards. It's just, I don't know, it's very serene. I guess that's the best way to describe it. It's just a real serene experience, but I'm getting hungry and I've got a place in mind which I think you're gonna enjoy. So let's make our move. Okay, so earlier in the day we ate at my favorite restaurant in Bangkok, but the truth is I have another favorite restaurant in Bangkok. It's called Pad Thai Cowboy, and that's where we're going right now. Wow, that's definitely the best pad thai I've ever had. And to be clear, I've had this pad thai many times. I actually make it a point to come here once a week when I'm in Bangkok, this being my second trip. And I've also had a lot of pad thais here in Bangkok, but also in Canada and in the US as well. And you know, they're all good, but I think Pad Thai Cowboy is really in a league of his own and really worth making the effort to come out here. Don't know why he's not a Michelin Bib Gourmand recipient. I mean, he's definitely the caliber. But anyways, it's interesting because the place we went to earlier in the day was absolutely excellent. No questions about that. But I think price point wise, I mean, it's only 90 baht for what I had here versus 250. Both are worth having, but it just really shows that in Bangkok, there's such an incredible range of offerings, and even at the low price points, you can achieve excellence or experience excellence for sure. Oh man, I love this place, and I'm only going to be here for another couple weeks. I'm going to do my best to make as many videos as I can and show you as much variety that's here in Bangkok as I can. Kind of feeling sad that I'm going to be leaving in 2 weeks, but anyways, I love this place, and look, please come back, watch more videos. I'm going to try to do a dozen if I can. Like, subscribe, do what you got to do, but please come back next time. Thank you.